Hi everyone, welcome back to Brain Fitness for Adults. I'm Dr. Shelley Pazer. Today we're going to be working on our short-term memory, something we all seem to struggle with a bit as we get older. For example, we all tend to forget names lots of times, even after we've just been introduced to somebody. Or the experience of walking into a room in your house to get something, and then when you get there, you have no idea why you walked in. Unfortunately, that happens to me quite a bit. We can improve our short-term memories, but we need to do the right kind of exercises and we need to pay attention. We don't tend to pay attention as much as we need to, and we do need our attention in order to get things into our memories. Okay, we're going to be doing an exercise today called word memory, and I'm going to go through one of them right now so you get the idea of what we'll be doing. You don't need to write anything this time. I'm showing you a slide that says 3 words associated with June. Ready? Now, the first word is summer. The second word is outdoors. The third word is warm. After I've shown you all 3 words, and I will not be reading them out loud for our future examples, you will then see a slide that says stop, record your answers now. What you do at that time is write down as many words as you can remember. It's okay if you don't remember them all. This isn't a test. I'm not grading you. I just want you to use your brains and think. At least try. And you also don't have to remember the words in the order that you saw them. Then I will show you a slide that has the answers, and you'll see how many you got right, how many you remembered, and which ones you missed. Okay, now let's do our first real one. Grab your pencils and paper. You see on the slide it says 4 words associated with candy. It is National Candy Month, so I thought this would be fun. Here's our first word. Second word. Third word. Fourth word. And stop. Record your answers. Okay, now let's look at the answers on the screen. How'd you do? If you got all 4, that's wonderful. That's incredible. But if you didn't, as I said, do not worry. This is meant to be a bit of a challenge for you. If I made it too easy, you wouldn't be challenging and working your brain. Okay, next one. Ready? As you can see on this slide, it says 5 words associated with Father's Day. So we're moving up to 5 words. Ready? First word. Second. Third word. Fourth word. Fifth word. And stop, and write down as many words as you can remember. Okay, let's take a look at the answers. Here they are. Now, 5 words is difficult to remember, so don't feel bad if you didn't get them. If you only even got a couple or 3, that's fine. Our brains aren't structured to hold many pieces of information in memory for a long period of time. So typically it's 5 to 7 pieces of information, but we have to work and train our brains to be able to remember more effectively. Last one. We're going to look at 5 words, as you can see on the slide, that are associated with National Fruit and Vegetable Month, which is the month of June. Here we go. First word. second, third, fourth, fifth. Stop. Write down as many words as you can remember. Okay, here are the answers. Now remember a couple of things. One is this will get better and easier for you over time as we keep coming back to this exercise. Second is you need to be paying attention. A lot of us don't pay as close attention or focus the way we used to. And our memory requires that we pay close attention so that we can store things in it. So that's important. And the third thing is when we do these exercises, try not to do any writing until you've seen all the words. Again, I don't know if you are, but you're not challenging your memory enough if you do that. Okay, well that's all we have time for today. So in the meantime and until next time, stay healthy, stay fit, and I'll see you soon.